4th canto of Bhagavatam, Lord Shiva is telling Parvati. She said, who is the greatest? I thought you were God, everyone's worshipping you. Oh no, Shivayam. She says, no, Aradhanam Sarvesham, Vishnu, Aradhanam Tapa. He says, higher than all the forms of worship, all kinds of upasana, Deva upasana, Indra upasana, Surya upasana, Shiva upasana, Brahma upasana, Durga upasana, Devi upasana, all methods of upasana worship. Aradhanam Sarvesham, all the Aradhya Devas. Vishnu Radhanam Param, Vishnu Radhanam, worship of Vishnu or Krishna, Radharaman, Shamsundar, Giridhari. There's Param, tops, super tops. But not only that, Tadiyanam Samarchanam, Tadiyanam Samarchanam, Tadiya. Krishna Tadiya Parapankaja is that bhajan, that prayer by Mukundamala, no, it's Mukundamala Stotram. Krishna Parapankaja Manasa Rajahamsa. Manasa Rajahamsa. Prabhupada sang many times over and again in his old vintage tapes. He sang with great bhav and tears falling from his eyes and his heart melting. Krishna Tadiya Parapankaja Panjaranam. So this Tadiya means connected, anything connected to Krishna. The Dham, the devotees, the cows, Krishna's cows. So they're equally worshipful. Tadina Archan, Puja. Can worship devotee, worship the cow. Everything connected to Vishnu is worshipful. So this is the dust of their feet, so their bones and their ashes from their burned body and the bones remaining from their burned body, the Shamshan ground, and the dust from their feet is all sacred and worshipful on the basis of the Bhagavad Puran as evidence, and everywhere we see in the tradition this is true.